Hello, hello, hello. This is Mr. Melendez, and I'm going to be presenting you with your lesson topic for today. Lesson topic 5.7b, African Americans protest during World War II. So with this particular assignment, I'm going to be giving you a Newsela article for you to read. In this Newsela article, you're going to be reading about how African Americans forced change through the threat of protest. Now, in our unit, we've been discussing a lot of things in World War II, especially the contribution of people of color, African Americans, Hispanic Americans, even Native Americans. We understand that in the previous lesson, we talked about the Double V victory, how African Americans were going overseas to fight against Germany, against the Nazi regime. But at the same time, they were going to be returning back home and they were going to have to fight another war, and that's the war of discrimination. This particular article is focusing on those events that they will have to face when they return back from the war. It's going to be focusing on a specific individual and what this individual did during this time frame, not just during the war, but also after the war, and what kind of strides that he was able to receive or to gain in a positive way for African Americans in the United States. So just like always, I want you to go ahead and read the article carefully and analyze it just like you would when you were in school. If you're able to highlight things or to kind of write your notes down, please do that. As you open the document and you scroll down, you're going to have questions you're going to have to answer. There's 7 questions. Make sure that you read them carefully and answer them by highlighting the ones of the answer that you think it is. Remember, there are going to be points or questions that it's going to ask you to go back to the article and reread them. Please do that. So that way you can narrow down what it is your possible answer could be. When you are done answering these questions, remember that there are 7 of them. Save it and submit it when you're complete. The assignment is due on Sunday, which is the 31st, by midnight. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the mini lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me or Miss Sonia, or visit our office hours, which is Tuesdays and Thursdays. My office hours, Tuesdays and Thursdays, from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. That is it. This is Mr. Melendez, and I am punching out. Have a good day.